I'm accompanied by my lovely cameraman, Eric, the sibling duo part of Siblings Wandering. And this is going to be a packing video about what I will be taking with me to South America. In my last packing video, I was talking about everything I was planning on taking with me for about 8 or 9 months of travel in Asia and in South America, but I ended up cutting that trip a little bit short. And since I did that, I actually have the opportunity to go through and refine everything that I packed with me. So last time I had a 72-liter bag. This time I'm gonna be taking this 40-liter REI bag, so I had to downsize all of my things quite a bit. But I think that I genuinely didn't need to bring about half of the things that I brought with me to Asia, and I've learned a lot of tips and tricks about the kinds of things that you actually need and don't need when you're living out of a backpack for an extended period of time. So without further ado, this is going to be everything that I am taking with me for several months of teaching yoga and traveling around South America. And this is going to be a little bit of a rapid fire video because I already filmed this and everything got unfortunately deleted and messed up with the audio. So we're just gonna speed right on through this, and then I'll add a link to, or just a little list of all of my packing items below in the description. Starting off with all of my toiletries. So this is my miscellaneous bag of items that I don't want to explode all over my things like they did in Asia, because it just ends up giving you a huge sticky mess. So I have some lotion, some face wipes or just body wipes for if I get a little bit dirty while I'm doing some work on the eco reserve that I'll be working on. These are some laundry detergent Tide pods that I'll be using for my own laundry, since I won't have the ability to take my laundry in as easily like I did in Asia, which was great, by the way, super cheap. I have some shampoo, face wash, sunscreen for my body, sunscreen for my face. This is conditioner, some body soap, and then just some more lotion right there. So those are my miscellaneous toiletry items. So these are my toiletries that I will be using day to day. Some tissue paper and just like wet wipe sort of things, because last time I was in South America and Peru, there was no toilet paper anywhere, so it's just kind of nice to have with you. This is a brush, some skin ointment. I have like 4 different chapsticks in here, and a razor, mascara for if I want to go crazy. Some tiger balm, which is awesome for bug bites, itches, scratches, burns, muscle relaxants, pretty much anything. I got it in Thailand and I swear it's just like a little miracle balm. I like to put it on my forehead because it feels really nice. And then this is this rose salve that I have, which is awesome for like dry skin. So if you have dry cuticles, dry hands, dry elbows, dry nose, dry lips, dry anything, you can just rub that on there. I have some eye drops for dry eyes, and then my little miscellaneous bag of drogas. These are just benadryl, ibuprofen, came really in handy for headaches and allergic reactions. And then my magical little activated charcoal pills that basically just rid your body of toxins if you think you might have eaten something bad, or if you're starting to feel a little bit stomach sick, then you can just pop 2 of those bad boys in and everything's good to go. So these are all of my toiletries. And then I have my favorite little handy dandy pack towel, which is super portable and small. And these are the only closed-toed shoes that I'm bringing. I don't know if these will be what I need, because at the reserve, I guess it's gonna be pretty muddy since I'm going to Colombia at the beginning of rain season. But we'll see, hopefully they work. And then here is my miscellaneous bag of other random stuff that I need to bring with me. So in this little baggie, I have some playing cards, Palo Santo wood, which smells so good, and I guess Palo Santo trees naturally grow in South America, so I'm gonna buy some more down there. Just some pens for journaling, a lock for when I stay in hostels, and then this has my earrings and my mala beads for meditation in there, because I'll be teaching some meditation courses too. And in this bag, I have my bolsa de drogas, just a lot of different random pills and drugs in here. So this is for if you have constipation, this is for if you have diarrhea, this is for night cold, this is for day cold, this is for allergic reactions. I have different ointments, bandaids, alcohol wipes, whatever may or may not happen in the jungles of northern Colombia and makes you need something medicinal. You got it right here. And this is just a cute little pack of 3 essential oils that I'm gonna be bringing with me. And I just, as a yoga teacher, I like putting them on and then, you know, adjusting people with good smelling hands. I like it.
It's hard for me to not just crack up on everything that she's saying. What a ridiculous person.
The rest of this is just a bunch of Cliff Bars because I actually will not have super reliable food at the reserve that I'm staying on. They're gonna give me rice, beans, salt, sugar, and pepper, and oil. That's about it. So I was just like, let me buy a bunch of Cliff Bars in case I can't find vegetables on my way there tomorrow or tonight in a few hours. I'm leaving in a few hours. I need to keep packing. So that's the miscellaneous items. And then now we'll go through my clothing items. So I'm bringing, again, probably a few more clothes than I should be and need to be, but that's sort of the difficulty with traveling indefinitely since I don't know where I'm gonna be going after I'm on this reserve for a month and how long I'll be in South America for. I have to pack for warm weather and cold weather. So, I mean, we'll see if I end up needing all this. I kind of have a feeling I might. I'm gonna be doing manual labor every day, and with yoga teaching, I'll be sweating quite a bit. So I need to make sure I have at least a few changes of clothes or else I'll be doing laundry like every single night, especially with 60% humidity. So I have these nice little just jean type of texture long pants for doing work in the fields. And then I have these sports shorts. These are cotton elephant pants that I got from Thailand. This is like a cute little sarong that I got just for going out. My awesome Prana trekking pants that my mom gave me that are just great for traveling because I can fit my phone and my passport in them, so I love wearing them at the airport. And then I have 2 pairs of yoga pants that are just really thin for teaching yoga. I have about 3 or 4 different tank tops that I'm bringing, and they're all just like crop thin tops for the warm weather. It's gonna be about 90 degrees or so every day on the reserve.
I was trying to say you should move some of the stuff at the bottom of the screen into the screen with you.
Like here?
Yeah.
Okay. Duff. So
I'm trying.
Okay. So then I also have one ratty t-shirt that'll be good for just doing work and getting sweaty and dirty, and one nice little sundress that I'm bringing in case I am ever going out anywhere. And this is a nice Colombia rain jacket, pun intended, because I'm going right at the beginning of rain season, so I need something to protect me and all of my items. So those are all of my clothing items, with the exception of what I'm bringing or what I'm wearing with me to the airport today. So today, or tonight in a few hours, I'm gonna be wearing another Colombia sweater with one of these small little tank tops, this thin but warm long sleeve shirt, and then these are the warmest leggings that I'm bringing. So I'm gonna have that with some socks. And so these are Zero shoes, and courtesy of Eric, shout out to Eric, thank you for providing these for me. These are awesome. So they just happen to fit me perfectly. I got really lucky, but they're incredibly lightweight, perfect for traveling. You can hike in them. They're warranted up to like 5,000 miles or something, and they fit like a glove. They feel great. So these are gonna be the main shoes that I'm wearing, and I was only gonna bring these if it wasn't recommended by the person who owns the reserve that I'm staying on to bring closed-toed shoes. So we'll see if they do the job or not, but I'm super stoked to have those. So other than that, I have a Bose speaker that my friend lent it to me. Shout out to Derek. And I'm gonna just be using this for yoga classes. It's pretty portable, not super lightweight, but it is an amazing speaker. So definitely worth it to bring, in my opinion. This is my little international power converter. It is so much smaller than the one that I was originally using for Asia. Shout out to Misc for letting me take this from you. It pretty much works for almost every single country and is so lightweight and easy to take anywhere, and this is honestly all you need. There's no need to fuss with that giant thing that I got from Best Buy. This is everything. It has like nice little USB plugins. Don't need anything else. Then I have my awesome little inflatable neck pillow for the airplanes. Shout out to Dad for giving this to me. And a reusable grocery bag for groceries, laundry, anything else that I need to carry with me. And finally, last but not least, everything that I'm going to be putting in my little tiny backpack. So everything that I just said is going to be going in this 40-liter REI bag, but I have a few things that I'm going to put in this little small leather bag that my friend gave me. Shout out to Eva for the backpack. Just because it's nice having something else, so I don't always have to be using this big backpack. If I'm ever like going into town or on a little hike or something like that, then I can just put everything in this little guy. So in here I have eye mask, gum, cough drops for the plane. I have my new journal that I just got. It's a dot journal. Super stoked to fill this out. And I might be bringing this book. I haven't decided yet. It's Asana, Pranayama, Mudra, Banda. It's really good for getting used to yoga teaching and putting sequences together. And then I have my little nifty booklet here that has my passport, my wallet, and then all of my cash that I'm going to convert to Colombian peso. So I've got US dollars in there, and also Thai baht, which is the Thai currency, because I forgot to exchange that when I was back in Thailand. So got to exchange everything over to Colombian peso today. And then got iPhone charger, headphones with a little dongle, and some extra pens. These are my favorite pens for journaling. And all of that will be going, again, just into this little guy right here. So that is everything. Yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna try to fit all of this stuff into these bags. Let's go.
I've been feeling kinda cooped up. I'm trying to get some fresh air. Hey, why you got the roof off? You know it never rains here. Hey, you ain't got a flash when you taking your picture. You ain't gotta draw no extra attention. Paparazzi wanna shoot ya. Niggas down for less out here. I've been in my bag and wait, trying to throw a bag in the safe.
And that is everything. So I've got all of my clothing items, toiletries, and miscellaneous odds and ends for teaching yoga in this backpack, along with my two little monkey fists here that I forgot to mention earlier. These are poi, and they're for dancing and doing fun little things with people in the circus. That's what I learned in northern Thailand, so I think I'm gonna bring these because they're a great way to make friends. And I also have some awesome rock climbing carabiners here just for clipping stuff if I'm ever in a rush and packing quickly. And these are the clothing items that I will be putting on when I finally shower and get ready in about an hour or two to head out on the plane and officially go to Colombia. As usual, thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you next time. Bye.
You probably think a nigga trolling, or showing out for the cameras. Fuck, I'm doing fish bowling. 100 down on the passenger. Bitch, I'm Kendrick Lamar. Respect.
Still filming? Can I keep going?
Sure. Wait, maybe put it back. No, it's done.
Are you ready?
I mean, sure.
Make sure your fingers mix.
It's not. Oh, it was.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Keep going?
It's going.
So fuck a fix it ticket. You pull me over and might see one of your bitches. Run, open street.